As Bitcoin hovers around $34,500, I can't help but smile and think, that's halfway to our previous ATH. $69,000. We did it before any spot ETF could bring serious institutional money into the realm, as well. And I can't think of any realistic reason why we wouldn't hit that milestone again. So, when I look at whatever my balance is today, I just remind myself, with a big ol' grin, that it will be double that amount one day relatively soon. Happy 15th Bitcoin. Time for a real growth spurt in your teen years. Yes. May $69,000 ATH be a blip on the chart. Just like the $1,000 crazy top back in 2012-13 is to us today. I think people truly underestimate what a low supply environment will do to the price this bull run. It's the calm before the storm, buckle up people. Just remember, this could also be a buy the rumor sell the news event. Maybe some big players know the ETF will get approved and buy it beforehand, and once they make the announcement they might sell it just like the futures news. Long term it should be good though. It definitely can. I hope in a few years we'll see BTC even higher than before. A lot of money is planning to flow into Bitcoin. It's a no-brainer. I'm about to buy some Bitcoin. If history proves correct, it will immediately drop and I'll be the one guy that loses money. Do what you want with that information. First point keeps floating around in my mind too. It is not actually a low, and if it is a starting point, then launch will be fantastic. Yes, we 100 blast past all-time high in the next 365 days. I think people are underestimating the demand shock and resulting price action once institutional funds, FOMO, and a couple of halving events take place. In 10 years the BTC chart will look very different. I love how short-sighted this sub can be. Go on a price chart and zoom in while scrolling into the past and you'll see the pattern. Bitcoin doesn't care about the institutions. It doesn't care about the ETF. And it doesn't care about you. TikTok next block. Is there any chance all these ETFs get rejected and the price of Bitcoin makes fresh lows? 10K was half the previous ATH and it hovered around it for a while too. How can it be that this year is not that bad as all pessimists were promising? I was hoping to get some more BTC at 15K and now it is 2x FOMO. I regret not being able to unload on 1 BTC last November when it was hovering around 15K. Halfway there now by DCAing every week. When should be the right time to buy Bitcoin? Should I wait or now is a good time? LFGGGGGG. This is exactly how I got into Bitcoin. I didn't know anything about crypto, but I remember when the price was 60K-ish and on the way down. I thought to myself, there is a 100 chance there will be a higher high one day. I have bought non-stop since then. Mostly around the 35-40K price. The day we see a new ATH will be an awesome day for all of us. Why is BTC so high? It's going to be bigger than what people expect. Things that could go wrong. ETF not approved and US turns its back on BTC. US can ban on-ramps to crypto. BTC is not quantum secure if there is a breakthrough. BTC is screwed along with everything else. Someone finds a way to trick the blockchain. Something better comes along. None of the above are likely, so I like my chances hodling BTC. I smile and think, wow, again one more unnecessary post. The relevant question is, what would a true Bitcoiner do once BTC hits or exceeds the ATH fiat price? Only gold and BTC are the considerable investable assets at this geopolitical and abusive monetary climate. Even if the SEC approves the ETFs, isn't there a correlation between stock market fluctuations and Bitcoin's ups and downs? Every time a bear market is around the corner, just like now, Bitcoin also tanks because it's affected by the value of the dollar? No, the price right now is because of the ETF. ATH was reached when money was free. Money is no longer free and supply is actually decreasing. If you think that institutional money is waiting for the SEC approval to buy, you're very much mistaken. Last few weeks or months before a large position is totally unaffordable. So BTC versus BTC ETF. Other countries have Bitcoin ETFs already. I've been investing in Bitcoin through my TFSA and RRSP in Canada for ages now. I think that it will surpass 40K pretty much likely on following days. Just wait. Don't sell, you will be rewarded. Could be double the amount but worth half as much in fiat terms. This is the equivalent to hovering between 3-5K after 2017 bull. Nuts how far we come. The amount of Bitcoin you have will be the same if the price doubles. Think in terms of Bitcoin. 35,500 RN like 4 hours straight now. There are so many Bitcoin spot ETF already. Just not in the US. If everyone is rich, then no one is rich. That, and we are not even close to April yet. Cannot wait to see how much it will double from there. 250.